loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you a quick video of what I did for dinner today. Now that's my peas boiling and this is my chicken already been seasoned, and yeah, put to marinate for about 3 hours or 4 hours. And now this is my rice and peas fully cooked. Now my chicken all fried. Now they're all back in the pot and we're gonna brown them. We're gonna cook them down for about 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes. And there I'm adding the water. I did put some tomato ketchup in that too. And this is a finished product. This is my dinner for today. Some nice juice there with my nice scotch bonnet pepper, and yeah, bon appetit.